Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is just going to be a quick video, kind of like a review, first impression type video. So if you like these type of videos, give this a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a new product, and it is something that I find very interesting. It is fake eyelashes that are magnetic, but instead of the ones where you put like a top one and a bottom one, you put on magnetic eyeliner and they stay on. And that just seems like a great idea. I tried fake eyelashes like a few weeks ago and I really liked how they looked. And I'm not one that wears fake eyelashes. And so I thought I would try something. I wanted to try the magnetic ones because I didn't like putting the glue on and like how it pulled at my eyelashes and stuff. And Jax, okay, we're just gonna move on. Looking further into the magnetic eyelashes, I found that the normal ones were kind of hard to apply, and then I saw that there was a thing such as magnetic eyeliner. So I got some off of Amazon. I'm not sure if they're good or not, but we're gonna test it out. Yeah, I will leave the link to them in the description box because I don't even know the brand. There is not a name on them. And these were the best I could find, so if they're not cute, I'm gonna get a better pair, but we'll see. And I don't remember the pricing either. So this is the magnetic eyeliner. There's no brand, it just says magnetic eyeliner on it. So let's hope these work out. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom you guys in and then we can get into this. Okay, so I have my mirror right over here, and so that's where I'm gonna be looking for the majority of this. But here is the magnetic eyeliner. Hopefully this doesn't like burn my eye. Ooh. Okay, so it just looks like this. So I already have makeup on from this morning, so I'm just gonna put a thin line over, you know, where the eyelash will be, just over my normal eyeliner. And yeah. So now I'm just gonna let it dry. Okay, so I'm kind of scared. This is taking a while to dry, first of all, but I'm kind of scared that the magnet's gonna hurt. I don't know why, but I'm gonna show you guys the lashes. So it comes with like 4 pairs, and they are the kind where you can just wear them without the magnetic eyeliner, but I want to use the eyeliner. So I got like the halvesies kind, like you just put it on half, because I want some to look natural. Now my mascara right now is kind of clumpy, so it might not look good, but it comes with this little tool. Put them on, which is nice, or you can just use tweezers. Okay, so I think it's dry enough to try it, so I'm just gonna get one. This is what it looks like. These eyelashes aren't bad though, so I think that one's on. My mascara is kind of clumpy though.
What's up, buddy?
This is the one that has it. It's kind of weird looking though when you look down. Does it look nice?
It's not, it still looks like natural. It just looks like you have good eyelashes.
That was the goal. Does it look nice?
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, I'm gonna put the other one on. These are really easy to apply. I like these. I'm gonna start wearing these. I might get some that are a little bigger. Okay, so these are what they look like. They're really subtle, but they don't look bad. for Amazon eyelashes. And if you put them on, I put this one on better. And I can't see the magnet on it. I mean, I really can't on this one as much anymore, but I definitely put this side on better. They look nice. I might get like a bigger pair too, just because these literally look like, I mean, they look real, but anyways. So I would say these are way easier than the regular glue eyelashes. They were not as messy, and you literally just pop them on there and then they stay on. It stays on pretty good. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these then, and I will leave them down in the description box below. Let me zoom you guys out. So yeah, these are what they look like. If you guys are looking for some natural ones, these would be a good one. I was kind of scared because all the Amazon ones were like huge, but yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this, or if you have any recommendations of good brands, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.